दिमाग एकदम like mind is already too much, like there is so much to learn, so much to do. So why I'm telling you that it has become very hectic is because of two reasons. Yeah, hectic, tough, and I thought I'll escape this by not doing it in India, but that's not true, guys. Past papers is the best way to go about it. This is what I realized. So I've got guys just got done with both the exams, and let me tell you something that they both were not easy. Navigation had a question which has never been given in the past.
And don't think that it is a UK ticket है तो बहुत easy है. It is at par and equivalent, maybe more difficult than India.
Fantastic. Now coming to UK for achievements is actually quite worth it, and once you get free, only that. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. 1 month to go for the SQA exams. I had just gone out for a small detour walk because दिमाग एकदम like mind is already too much, like there is so much to learn, so much to do, hardly any time. So walk here is quite nice. From the last two episodes I also got a lot of queries from students as to what is the best way to join the mates and masters course or second mates course or electrical or engineering course from the UK. Now I have come specifically from an institute called the School of Marine Education, which is in Navi Mumbai. Now I'm going to be very honest, they have helped me from getting the right information to the visa processes, everything streamlined. Now why I'm endorsing them is the fact that I had some obstacles during my visa and they sorted it out straight away. Also for the fact that they are very honest and transparent. So you can approach them, you can call them anytime and they'll, sort out all your queries. I'm going to link their websites in the descriptions and also their phone number, so you can also call them and sort out your personal queries. For now, I can tell you the trip has been worthwhile. At the same time, it has been very tough, but let's see how the exam goes. Why I'm telling you that it has become very hectic is because of two reasons. First reason is stability. The second reason is navigation. Now in the navigation section you'll see that again we are back to graphs, and I saw some radar plotting, map work, currents, tides. I mean, to be very honest, I have studied this in my BSc time, which was 10 years back, and still I couldn't wrap my head around it. The new times, the softwares have come. You've seen me working on ships with the softwares only and not graphs in this. But yeah, well, this is how the course is. Anyhow, stability is the real killer, guys. I mean, look at all these formulas. This trigonometry is also involved in this. And we've got 11 books, not 11, 13 books. And each book is a different subject. And out of the 5 questions which will come in the final exam, it can come through any of this book, and some topics which I might study will not come, and some which I have not studied will come. So you can understand what I'm trying to say. So past papers is the best way to go about it. This is what I realized. So I've got 10 years past papers for both. I'm studying for that. This is how I'm preparing, and also Mahadev is over there, so he'll look after it. I just have to give my best and do the work which is required. Yeah, hectic, tough, and I thought I'll escape this by not doing it in India, but that's not true, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, day has come. It's the exam day. Little bit stressed and nervous because it's the first time after a very long time we are going for an exam like this, which is like board exam kind of thing. And I've done my best, and let's see how it goes. I always read this quote from my teacher, Swami Vivekanand ji. You can pause the video and also read it. For now, took the blessings of Baba, and Har Har Mahadev. Fingers crossed, everything goes well. Heading for the college. The exam is inside the college. And stability in navigation, the D-Day has come. Guys, this was our examination hall, which hopefully we have cleared. So आप लोग का भी exam हो सकता है यहाँ. Guys, just got done with both the exams, and let me tell you something that they both were not easy. Navigation had a question which has never been given in the past. So the past papers, if you think you will do the past papers and clear, definitely not. Stability, we had ship type B, which is a tough ship. Anyhow, I could solve it, but I know from the reactions of the others that it was not good for them. My advice to you all is to study at least 2-3 months before and not in the last weeks, because the syllabus is too vast guys, believe me. Now much awaited celebration time, but I will go out and ask the other guys also how their papers went, so that you have a different perspective, because my perspective is just limited to me, but the others will tell you better. And it's done. 6 months of grind, and I feel good now. I feel relieved and at peace. Purain bhai, how was your exam? Pura experience batao अच्छे से, honest.
Yeah, I think it was good. Extremely hard work, मतलब extreme levels of hard work. इतना तो मैंने इंडिया में नहीं पढ़ा था. मैंने यहाँ पढ़ी. Correct. 10-12 घंटे, but I think paper, when the exam came, it was okay.
Do you still recommend this like for Indian students?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
I think they should, if they have got the money and the means, they should come here.
Prabhu bhai, आपको कुछ?
I would say that it is definitely to give it a shot for. And UK आना, if you have money and if you have sources, definitely you should opt for this.
Absolutely.
Better than India, better than everywhere. But बाकी results के बाद ही बताया जाएगा.
So Tushar bhai, how was your last 2 months and the final SQ at D-Day?
Once you come here, the only focus should be yours, like you have to study. In comparison to India and UK, it is not like India is having more exams and UK is having less exams. It is not at all the case. It is. Yeah. It is like you have HND certificates, which are
30.
which 30. Are total of 30 exams.
30 exams.
And Indian exams are like 6 to 7.
Correct. So,
but the exams which we deal with here, no, more and more syllabus for one exam.
Absolutely.
And it comprises of all like 2 to 3 subjects in one exam.
Absolutely.
So it is becoming more challenging for the people who come here.
Absolutely. Thanks Tushar, but so far so good. Yeah. Hopefully everything should be okay. Right? Okay, yeah. Honest, raw feedback of what happened in the last 2 months, and what advice would you want to give?
I think SQA is quite draining process. Previously we were thinking easily हो जाएगा, but it was not like what we have expected. Or let's see how things will going, because exams were pretty good. What we have read, that only came into the exam, but what we are thinking in India, like, it's not the same story.
Not the same.
And also their internal exams are so much.
30 to
yeah,
exam.
30. Previously we have no clue about that thing, and it was our mistake.
And don't think that it is a UK ticket है तो बहुत easy है. It is at par and equivalent, maybe more difficult than India. So if you are coming here, then you have to look on the budget as well as your hard work.
Let's ask Deepa bhai, how was his experience? Silence.
I don't have anything to actually say about the experience what we had, but it was a new and a chilling experience to give exams over here for sure. You know, very different than what we have in India.
Absolutely.
And completely opposite.
Well, total review I'll give once I get my results, because before that I don't want to jinx it. But I'll give you full experience, how it was, is it worth it or not. Pura disclose karenge. And for now, let's enjoy the freedom we have.
See you in Newcastle.
See you in Newcastle, yes. What's the day plan today?
So we're going to go to Edinburgh.
Yes.
And then there's nothing planned as yet.
Just impromptu.
Yeah, just impromptu.
And
so we'll go and see there, but mostly the castle,
yes.
The Harry Potter tour.
Harry Potter tour, and we've got only 3 minutes for our train.
Because it's for the train, we are pressed for time.
Yes.
So let's see.
Let's see.
Let's see if we'll catch it up.
Guys, we have only 2 minutes and that's our train. Wow, देखो हालत है. Made it, guys. We got Jake.
Two people left.
Still 2 people left. I don't know where they are. This is our first weekend, which we thought we have to make the most of it. Just managed to catch the train. 2 people are missing. I don't know if they made it because they were in the other taxi. And off to Scotland. West Prabhu has been here on a ship.
Yeah.
2 years back.
2 years back, yeah.
And अभी nostalgic moment में थोड़ा बताओ प्रभु, what is all here?
Because this place was a place, it was our home port basically.
Oh, right.
So we used to come back to back for our all voyages. So basically we were loading LPG from these ports.
Okay.
So Edinburgh was a getaway spot for all of us.
So all his memories are back, and
So
you were
all
explaining
the
us.
memories are coming back. I'm feeling the same place again and again. So yeah, I can recall a lot of stuff from these places.
Good things.
Good things and bad things.
Okay, chal. So we're going to Burger King now, huh, Prabhu?
Yeah.
Okay. Back to home. Second home.
Back to home, yeah.
हाँ, यहाँ आए हो आप?
This was the place we went inside for a snack and something else as well.
अरे, what do you mean something else, Prabhu?
Whatever you wild imagination you can think of.
Okay. Where are we going अभी? इतना this such a pretty place.
It's a beautiful place.
But where are we heading?
We are heading towards the castle, and this all places, these all stairs. These are way beautiful.
Joker stairs.
Joker stairs, and they'll take you to the other part of the city.
Okay.
They'll take you to the other part of the city, and there are so many clubs out there
Yeah.
to hang out. There's a street
So let's go
full
now.
of fun fair and all.
Chal, let's
so
go.
we head
Let's
towards
go.
that.
There's one movie regarding this Keanu Reeves,
Yeah.
Devil's Advocate. I think the shooting starts from here only.
And it's all the way upstairs, yeah?
Yeah, to the hell.
Fantastic. What a beautiful place this is, guys. You can hear Scottish bagpipes somewhere over there. And all of us are clicking pictures just like here, Udyan bhai and Deepa bhai. What a place. We are at this beautiful place right in the town center. Got bagpipes playing over there. And rest, Mukul, yaar, how is it?
It was good. It was the best decision to come over here,
Yeah,
do our mates and everything.
absolutely. Enjoying it thoroughly.
Yeah, I think the day I am remembering the last day in Noida and then over
2
here
years.
right now. I think
Absolutely.
2 years.
2 years back,
Yeah, 2 years back.
when we were doing phase 1.
But
By the way, guys, those who don't know, we were doing phase 1 together. And we made the combined decision to come here. And here we are 2 years later.
somehow our friendship is still going on.
Still going on and blossomed into this beautiful moments right here.
Now I think the decision is worth it.
Yep. This is the famous Harry Potter merchandise place. Long waiting line right now. But I think I'll come here with Ridhima. She's also coming soon, so you'll see that in the vlog. And she's going to love this place. Guys, it is the next day. Had a very lousy night because of one guy in the dorm who was snoring like hell, so we couldn't sleep much. But now Deepak bhai and I are the early wakers, so we are going to have some food and explore Edinburgh. More?
A little bit more in the morning.
In the morning, yeah. That's the beautiful morning view of the place, and we are looking for breakfast places. So Deepak bhai is our navigator right now, so he's taking us. So one piece of advice: when you are here, don't look at the prices because it's going to cost you a bomb. Minimum 500-600 rupees for a small dish, and 1000 plus rupees for a normal meal. So Deepak bhai, word of caution.
It is definitely. And if you're coming out, then be prepared.
Be prepared to dish a lot of money out.
If you have to enjoy, then you have to.
Bilkul.
be a part of it. But it's good food actually.
Good food, good.
Yeah.
That's the breakfast. Eggs, and Deepak bhai has ham and croissant.
Cheese croissant.
Cheese croissant. Light breakfast. Then we've got a lot of things to cover today, so stay tuned. The next plan is that we are going on, I think, one of the tallest places here to see a 360 view. We get to see the entire Edinburgh area, so it's going to be a good walk. All the food will be digested, and I think that's the monument, Deepak bhai. Absolutely. Wow. भाई कहाँ पहुँचे हम? Believe it or not, this is like one of the best views you are about to witness. It's for this monument. इसको क्या कहते हैं दीपक भाई?
This is Carlton Hill.
Carlton Hill. Up top on, like, you know, ancient Scottish ruins, and from here you're gonna see the entire view of Scotland. Oh wow. Have a look guys. Wow. And that's the riverside, all the North Sea, I think, over there. Fantastic. Now coming to UK for achievements is actually quite worth it, and once you get free, only then. Prabhu is going to explain to us the nightlife that we experienced yesterday. So Prabhu, your pravachan on this.
So yeah, it was a good time. We all had a good time after a long time, after having a very hectic schedule for the SQAs and all. He had enjoyed a lot. And regarding the nightlife, I would say that it was a good time. We all had a good time. But do cautious that they ask you for a physical IDs.
Oh yes, correct. Bring your IDs with you.
That's the most important thing. Even Aadhaar card would also work.
Yes,
so
correct.
That's very important. Few of our friends didn't had an ID, which had a big problem for all of us. We have to go back to the club, which was not having that decent crowd as we were expecting.
Yes.
So I would highly recommend everyone to have a main
physical card,
main physical ID.
Yes.
Even passport, Aadhaar card, driving license, anything would work.
Absolutely. And what's the plan for today, Prabhu?
Today we are planning roaming around just on the streets of Scotland. We'll see how it goes. First of all, थोड़ा सा पेट पूजा हो जाए.
हाँ, तुम लोग लेट उठे ना, हम खा के आ गए. Yes.
That's what the most important thing for the day. खुराक जाएगी तभी तो दम आएगी.
प्रभु, उदयन भाई आपका कोई इसमें प्रवचन भी बताओ यार.
क्या चीज यार?
For UK nightlife or Scotland nightlife.
Scotland nightlife is amazing, yeah. Just like he explained, just keep a physical ID, please. Otherwise, no entry. Like we experienced yesterday.
And आज का motivation factor क्या है?
आज का motivation factor है castle देखना है हमें.
Yes.
And we have to do the Scotch tour, whiskey Scotch tour,
so, UK,
which is Scotland is famous for.
Scotland is famous for single malt and all of that.
Single malt and all that. So there's a factory of Glen. So it's like Glenfiddich, Glenlivet. There's a factory around here. I think we are gonna go there.
So we're gonna
Somebody
give a tour.
suggested us. Yes. तो हम लोग वहाँ जाएंगे.
These are the famous telephone booths, and Prabhu is getting his portfolio picture clicked right now. But you can actually मैं call प्रभु photo bomb करता हूँ. You can actually call. यार try करना, try calling.
Yeah.
यानी really उसमें insert coin.
Yeah,
60 points.
The coin
60 pence.
And definitely we can make a
Make a
call
call.
to India as well.
Absolutely.
So
You want to
people
try?
are coming can contact Karan. He will be around only for making calls and all.
चलो. That's the famous castle of Edinburgh. We've bought the tickets, cost around 2,500 rupees, but definitely should be worth it. This is like a vantage point from the, like, it's the highest point, so you can see all of the city from that side and the city from that side, and a 360 view. So I'm assuming in the warfare days, in the olden times, this is like an overall 360 lookout point. Guys entered the castle. हाँ प्रभु, How is the castle, yaar?
It's beautiful,
Huh?
amazing. It's what now. This is what.
Now this is worth it. Accent भी बढ़ रहा है प्रभु.
Look at those cannons.
प्रभु ये वाली philosophy after having ice cream, थोड़ा सा प्रवचन please. After looking at this beautiful view.
See, after having this beautiful scenic view of the very small place on such a big earth, I felt like that we all are like ants.
Absolutely. And guys, just to be clear, this was actually impromptu philosophy which this guy gave. This is not for the recording, but really Prabhu Bhai after eating gelato is feeling like this.
While we were having gelato, it was a completely different person. We were enjoying the time, we were enjoying the life. Yes. But after coming up on this hilltop, I felt like that we are nothing in front of this big world and even this city. But the city is beautiful.
Absolutely. See the
absolute beauty.
See the entire city, the castle, the city inside the castle, and then the entire perspective, watching over the entire city. This is the ammunition for one of the world's most biggest guns. It's called the Mons Meg, and it can fire up to a range of 3.2 kilometers. It's on the other side, but this is how it looks. And it is overlooking the entire Edinburgh sector. Wow. Prisoners of war section. Guys, this is a prison cell. And more or less one bed and thoda ship jaise bhi lag raha, but anyhow, but this is a prison cell. हाँ दिव्या शिप की भी थोड़ा कैबिन्स जैसे याद आ रहे हैं ऐसे ही है. This is how prison used to look back in the days. Prisoners of war recreated back in the 1700s. This is how they used to be. And these are all prisoners of war. That means caught during the war time. Checkout time हो गया उद्यान भाई.
यार एक तो ये फोन जो हमेशा इसका निकलता है ना, all कुछ बता रहा हूँ.
Mukul bhai is going to stay back. Mukul bhai, आपका itinerary I know is more of Scotland and Ireland.
We are going to Inverness and
So
One of the 5 most scenic routes in the world where they are going to hunt.